Welcome to Five Fingers Exports India Private Limited. Today we will see why do PP woven bag manufacturers around the world choose Five Fingers Exports? Because for us, delivering a machine is just the beginning. Many of our international customers first visit our manufacturing facility, where they witness our production standards firsthand. They test our machines using their own PP woven fabric, evaluate the bag quality, production speed, and machine performance, and only then make their decision with complete confidence. Every machine is engineered for high productivity, consistent performance, reduced manpower, and faster returns on investment. From precision manufacturing and stringent quality inspections to secure export packaging, professional container loading, and complete export documentation, every step is executed with care and precision. It's our customers' investment and trust. That's why every machine is carefully protected, every shipment is meticulously planned, and every delivery is managed to reach its destination safely and on time. At Five Fingers Exports, we specialize in manufacturing PP woven bag conversion machines, building long-term customer trust through consistent performance, transparent business practices, and dependable global delivery.